Here are some more details on the quiz that you guys are getting back today and some of the common mistakes that I saw. Split it down the middle, make sure it's showing proper form if you want to get full credit on the test. Subtract on both sides, -5 minus 5. We have 4m. The symbol stays the same. So maybe put -10. Remember, leave a calculator. -15 minus 5 is keep changing to -20. Divide both sides by 4. We have m, -5. The symbol does not flip. It only flips when you multiply or divide by a negative. Yes, I see that there's a negative here, but we divided by a positive 4, so the symbol stays the same. When we graph, remember that the negatives go backwards, open circle, because there's no line underneath. M is on the small side, which is always to the left. Number 2 was tricky. It is the type of question you're going to see quite a bit, but there's an extra bit of trickiness because when we undo times 2 first, which many of you did, so that was good. So we multiply by -2 first. We have m plus 1 in the numerator. 3 times -2 is -6. But a lot of you forgot. When you multiply by a negative, this symbol should have flipped. So we had a lot of you who forgot to flip, even though you multiplied by a negative. It doesn't matter when you multiply by a negative. If you multiply both sides by a negative at any point, both sides, the symbol must flip. Now it's m plus 1. We're not done. -1 minus 1. This is m. You guys have calculators. This is -7, and the symbol stays the same. It doesn't flip when you subtract. It only flips when you multiply or divide by a negative. Remember, the negatives are backwards. Close circle this time because line underneath. M is on the big side. The bigger numbers are always to the right, even in the negatives. If you go to the right, that's where the bigger numbers are. The word problem. A lot of us had confusion on the answer in words. When I say the answer in words, I don't mean take the inequality and translate it. I mean solve it, and then once you're done solving, tell me what your answer means. Let's first read the word problem. Tim had $50 to spend with his friends. He bought one burrito bowl for $7.50, and then he wanted to just buy a bunch of tacos for his friends. Each taco is $2.75. How many tacos can he buy? So Tim has $50. We know that whatever he buys at Chipotle has to be smaller than or equal to 50. It could be equal to 50. It could be smaller than 50, but it can't be bigger. So on this side is 50, and on the left side is all of the stuff he's about to buy. We talk about opportunity cost. He either has the $50 or he has the amount of tacos and Tex-Mex that he buys. So the burrito bowl, he gets $7.50. So that's $7.50. We're going to add to that $2.75 for every taco. We'll use the letter C because T looks like a plus sign, plus the $7.50. Some of you put the $7.50, you put a variable here. You're not getting multiple burrito bowls. You're only getting one of those. That's why there's only one $7.50. Now, some of you, again, tried to translate and put it down here. That's not what we're asking you to do. We're asking you to solve this first. 2.75C for the number of tacos, $2.75 times every taco, plus the burrito bowl has to be smaller than or equal to 50. Let's solve this. -750 minus 750. We get 2.75C has to be smaller than or equal to whatever he has left. So there's 42.50 left. Let's see. Let's divide to find out the number of tacos he can get, because $2.75 times every taco has to be smaller than what the amount of money is left after he buys this burrito bowl. Divide by 275. We get C has to be less. The number of tacos has to be less than or equal to. Good thing you had calculators. 42.50 divided by 2.75 equals 15.45. Now, these are tacos. I doubt that they're going to let you buy 45 hundredths of a taco. So you can't get this, and you can't get 16. Your number of tacos has to be less than or equal to 15 and change. So the answer in words is Tim can buy up to 15 tacos. He could buy less, but he can't buy more than that. He can buy 15 or 14 or 13. He can buy up to 15 tacos is my answer.